Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about this new paying platform that pays you Doge every hour, or let's say every minute, because it depends on your activeness and the way you have upgraded your miner. So when you register using the link on the description box or on the pin message, register and this will be how your dashboard would look like. So guys, this is how this Doge mining works. This is the mining page. So all you need to do is to hire miner for yourself. Is that you click when you register newly, you will only be clicking on one. So let's say I'll click now and they will give me a dog. I'll click again. So we just merge it together. You'll be seeing the numbers at the top. You merge them together. This 4 4. Then you drag it to this open hole. That's where it will be mining for you. So your current mining state is here to be showing at the top here. This is it. So when it's 100, since we are new, we have not upgraded, so the minimum withdrawal for you is 100 Doge. So that 100 Doge is, I think, let's go to withdraw, is 0.1 Doge. So currently within 2 hours, new users will be receiving, if you withdraw, you receive it twice. Like now I withdrew 100 Doge and they doubled it for me 200. So after this countdown finish, they will stop the double payout. So join now and grab your copy. If you want to withdraw, you click on all, here, go and copy your Doge address. You can go to your spender, your Bitget, Binance, anywhere you want to withdraw to. Go and copy your Doge address, put the address here, put it here, then you click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, you wait for them to process it. You will see received. When they process, you will see received here, and you get your payment. You get the payment. So that's how this one work. If you want to copy your referral address, you can just come here, or referral link, sorry, come to welfare and copy your referral link to send. So that's basically how this one works. It's not difficult. Currently, as you can see, my capacity is full, so I cannot mine more or withdraw. When you register, you'll be given 2 free withdrawal. After withdrawing, then you have to invite people to open up more free withdrawals. So you can click on withdraw. So already I've made 2 withdrawal, and I already have 100 to withdraw again, but they said I should have 5 people before I can withdraw. So I don't have 5 people yet. I don't have 5 referrals yet. So this is my 2 withdrawals. So it's currently paying. Or if you don't want to invite, you can just come and upgrade your capacity. Click on profile. When you go to your profile, you click on upgrade vault. It will open. Then you now select the one that you want to open and upgrade. So this one you have to pay 160 Doge to upgrade this one. This one you have to pay 620 Doge to upgrade this one. So it depends on you. The upgrade cost is 16,612. So if you have 16,612, you can choose this path and upgrade. You pay in Doge. So apart from you upgrading, you can just be withdrawing 100 every time it's full, but you have to invite people to always withdraw the 100.